छोटी छोटी चीज़ कभी कभी रह जाती है जब थ्योरी पार्ट हम लोग करते हैं, तो कुछ कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती है प्रोग्रामिंग में, मिस्टेक्स या फिर प्रोग्रामिंग के अंदर में कुछ छोटी सी डाउट्स, तो उसे क्लियर करने के लिए चलिए ये वाला प्रोग्राम देखते हैं। This program will show you about the greatest between three numbers. Greatest between two numbers is very easy, and greatest between three numbers is somewhat difficult, but you can see here it's very short program and you can write this program to find the greatest between three number. You can use the cout function and scene function to insert the values from the user, but I am taking here predefined values, and let us compile it. It is no errors, and let's run it. I will show you how you can insert the values from the user. So b is greater, because here b is 5. So when we are using it like when we are using it like user inserts the function, user insert the values and find the greatest between them. So we are giving here command cout, means printing something that enter the number. Any three. Okay, so as they will insert three values, and we are taking those values from scene, as a is first number is a, second number is b, and third number is c. You can write a b c differently by scene a semicolon and endl, then scene b, then indel, then scene c, like this. So let us compile this program, and here user will insert the value and this program will, okay, what is the error? So I have written one get to operator twice. So now let us run it. So when you run it, it will just say you the command, it will give the command that enter the number any three. So I will enter 66 and 76 and 81. So c is greater, I think it will print. So c is greater, it is printing. Now we can write here the number, and after that number we can write this is greater. So I am writing here c, and I am writing here b. Okay, let us write here b, not in capital, in small, because we have taken in upside as b and c as a small digit. So it is a. Now what it will print, that it will show you which number is greater. So let us compile. So it's compiling and there is no errors, I guess, and let's run it. When you run it, it will show enter any three number. So let me insert the three numbers. So 5 is greater, the number is printing, and after that is greater is also printing. So if you are using here is greater again and again, then it is somewhat complicated. So let me erase all is greater from here, and the is greater output I will write after those all. Okay, in last. So let me write here cout is greater. Now what it will print, it will print the number, and after that it will print is greater. So let us compile it first. So after compiling, it will definitely show no errors, and after running this program, it will show what it will show. Okay, so let us insert 4, 3 and 7, and 7 is greater. Only one time I have written here is greater, then it will show like this. So you can write this program differently. In different way you can also write this program. How you can write this program differently? So let me cut this from here, and let me write it. If a is greater than b, then enter the condition and check also if a is greater than c or not. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then a is greater. Of course a is greater. And after that condition, if it get unsatisfied, then it will print like if else b is greater than c or not. So now also it will print like a is greater than b or b is greater than c. Let me insert the value 3, 4, 5. So 5 is greater. So like this also you can write the program, and you can find the output. So this was the program to find the greatest among 3 numbers. You can write here, you can insert here from the user, and you can write also the values predefinedly.